Welcome. If you've ever found those little red badges on your Snapchat app icon distracting, especially from story reminders, you're not alone. Those tiny notifications can be annoying when you just want a clean home screen. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off app icon badges for story reminders on Snapchat, using the latest update, so you can control what pops up on your phone. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you manage all your apps and notifications. Once you're in settings, look for the apps section and tap on it. This section lists all the apps installed on your device, letting you adjust settings for each one individually. Next, scroll down and find Snapchat on the list. Tap on Snapchat to open its specific settings. Here, you'll see options related to the notifications Snapchat sends you. Tap on Notifications to dive deeper into what kind of alerts you receive. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This screen breaks down Snapchat notifications by type, making it easier to customize what you want or don't want. Under the Friends section, look for Story Reminders and tap on it. Story reminders are those alerts letting you know when your friends have posted new stories that Snapchat thinks you shouldn't miss. Now you should see a toggle for app icon badges. Simply switch this toggle off. This change means Snapchat will no longer display those red badges on the app icon specifically for story reminders, though you'll still receive other notifications if you want. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll have successfully turned off app icon badges for Snapchat story reminders. Your home screen will look cleaner, and you'll only get the alerts that truly matter to you. If you want to reverse this anytime, just follow the same steps and toggle the badges back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a less cluttered notification experience on Snapchat.